Hello everyone, so this is a summary of the poem To a Skylark by William Wordsworth. So this poem is addressed to a songbird skylark. So this poem is an ode to the bird skylark which was written in 1825. In this poem, the poet appreciates the certain unique qualities of the songbird skylark. So this is the text of the poem. So when the poem starts, the poet calls this bird as a divine singer. Actual minstrel means a divine singer and a traveler of the sky. Pilgrim of the sky means traveler of the sky. And now he's putting up certain questions. He's asking questions to this bird, and this is the first question, that whether this bird hates the earth, because all the time this bird is soaring high in the sky, is flying high in the sky. So does it mean that he hates earth? So this is the first question. Or while the wings aspire are hurt and I, both with thy nest upon the dewy ground. Now this is the second question which poet asked to this bird. And what is this question? He asked whether his heart and mind is occupied with the memory and the thoughts of his nest on the ground. Okay, on the wet ground. Thy nest which thou canst drop into at will. The nest where he cannot come at his own will. Okay, and he composes such beautiful songs, and he keeps on singing these songs irrespective of the seasons, irrespective of the coming seasons. So he sings his songs in all seasons. And poet, now the poet says that leave the nightingale behind in her dark forest, because this bird has a kind of divine light with him. Okay, and the same divine light, this bird showers upon the earth. Okay, and restores peace and harmony upon the earth. Okay, so this is a kind of divine light which this bird possesses and brings about peace and harmony. And now poet compares this bird with the wise people. Okay, it doesn't matter, you know at what heights these wise people reach to, but they are always connected with their roots. Okay, they are always connected with their roots. So now he says, now he appreciates this bird, that this bird remains true to the sky as well as to his home. Okay, is true to his is true to heaven as well as to his home. So is true to sky as well as to the ground. So this is the poem.